Temu Payment Failed. How to fix Temu payment problem. Now, to fix a payment failure on Temu, let's say you are on Temu and maybe you're trying to add a payment method by going to your payment methods right there and adding a credit or debit card or any other things like that. The first thing to do is you need to type your card number, expiration date and CVV and billing address manually instead of using autofill. So make sure your billing address matches what your bank has on file. You can also try to verify that you have enough funds to cover the total plus any small currency conversion costs. And you can ask your bank to unlock international or cross-border online purchases and confirm your account hasn't been flagged by Temu for a temporary security. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.